All right, everyone. A very good morning to all. Today is 2nd of July 2024 and it's currently 9 a.m. here in Atlantic. Starting from sentiment point of view, looking at the equity market, Asia Pac, China is doing pretty much good. It's been up by 0.13%. We have seen a very good large move over here. Looking at the Nikkei, 0.95%, and FTSE 51 is 0.13% is up. So overall, Asia Pac has been doing great, but if you look at the EMEA equity sides, Germany 30, Europe 50, FTSE 100, all are showing one-sided bias, and that is risk off. All of them is currently in the water. Look at the UK 100 is down by 0.45%. Stock 50 is almost down by negative 1.2%. All of them. So overall, starting from a good sentiment, risk on sentiment, market shifted to the risk off sentiment, moving into the EMEA side. After that, it's been followed by North American equity market. Looking at the S&P 500, it's currently sitting at that key level, but however it's still showing some risk off mood. Dow Jones, same thing. Nasdaq is currently down by 0.5%. So overall, if we look at the market's mood right now, it is pretty much off across the equity market classes. Moving to the commodity sector, gold is also range bounding precious metal, platinum, silver is pretty much mixed. If we look at, because platinum is up by 0.9% and the silver is down by 0.5%, so it is pretty much a mix. If we look at just the precious metal. However, looking at the copper, let me make it big. And look at this, it's just broke its trend line, downward trend line. Is currently trading at 4.413%. And if we get a soft dollar, then I think the price can push higher and can reach to 4.575%, and it's not going to be out of the ordinary. Okay, so moving to the base metals, iron is doing it's the same thing. It's up, is not about to leave its gains, and the copper, as I spoke, it's just broken its trend line, is up by 0.5%. Oh my god, look at the oil. I mean, it is amazing. So it has not shown any pullback since it started its upside momentum starting from June 4th, and it's just broken its just one trend line, and it's currently trading at 84.273, and is about to hit its downward trend line. So this is very cautious to look at this level before we can see a pullback or profit taking from here. But however, it's just looking at the energy sector. Energy sector is mixed. Natural gas is in deep water, and the Brent crude oil and the Western Texas oil is currently trading a really nice upward side. So moving to the yields are pretty much mixed across the board. 10 years, most of the benchmark yields are in negative territory, and the yen, the Canadian, and Swiss franc is showing a really nice upward momentum. So overall, it's mixed back across the yield market, and mixed across the precious metal and the energy sector. However, the equity market is clearly showing a sign of risk off sentiment. Now looking at the FX space, okay, let it get loaded first. All right, so let me just move it back there. New Zealand is currently the most weakest currency and the pound is currently leading the pack, I guess. However, Canadian is down. Canadian and pound is at, I think, at the same spot. Dollar is losing its ground. However, these major Aussie, yen, euro, Swiss franc is just consolidating it around that area. So just keep in mind before trading today's session, the CAD is and the pound is the stronger, and the New Zealand is the weakest across the board. So that's it, all my friends. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know. And just again, quick reminder that the equity market is clearly showing us that the market is in a risk-off mood. However, commodity and yield is mixed across the board after we are having some signs of Trump victory, and as a result forcing expectations of maybe higher fiscal deficits and higher stickier inflation. All right, everybody, you have a great session today. Thank you very much.